Hey guys, Becky here at Aunt Beck's Creations, and I'm going to do a flip of my June Artist Trading Cards a Day for 2019. This is something I participated with Art Joy of Sharing's group, Peg and Shell, and everybody else over there. It was so much fun, and like I said at the beginning, I was doing mine with the 2 1/3 by 3 1/2 inch little mini binder pages that I picked up at Staples that were on clearance. And so this is the end result. I used a slip knot binding method. If you look up slip knot binding, you'll get to the website that has the instructions on how to do this. I didn't think about it, but for 30 cards plus the 2 covers, this took a while. So I'm going to start up and do a flip, and I'll put it to music.